Hey, this is Andy with Wicked Reports, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at how Wicked Reports 5 Forces AI helps you make strategic scale, chill, and kill decisions. Scale, chill, kill decisions will be made for you on autopilot using our 5 Forces AI. The 5 Forces AI aligns a measurement strategy to your marketing strategy. All the power of marketing attribution, saving you time and removing the complexity. The report I'm about to demonstrate relies on intentions assigned and zones set. If you like what you see today but don't see any 5 Forces analysis live in your account, then assign each campaign an intention in the Funnel Vision report, and then set chill zones for each intention that you've assigned in the 5 Forces report. To get to your 5 Forces Strategic AI report, click on the 5 Forces analysis, and you'll be taken to the report. The first thing that you'll notice is all of the ad spend for campaigns that you've set intentions for have been classified into one of 4 buckets: scale, chill, kill, or observing. The chill zone means continue spending the allocated budget. The scale zones are campaigns to increase the allocated budget, and the kill zones are campaigns that you must diagnose and improve performance with the help of the 5 Forces. And if they can't be improved, you should probably kill the budget. The fourth category, observing, is for campaigns that have been newly launched or that have had a major budget change recently. This is seemingly simple, but a very powerful feature unique to 5 Forces AI. By removing newly launched and recently changed campaigns from your scale, chill, kill buckets, this creates what we like to call action purity, meaning scale really does mean scale and kill really does mean kill. You can trust the direction. There are 3 uses for this report. Get a quick diagnosis of what you need to improve, spot opportunities to scale budget on winners, and if you have the time, get guidance on ways to improve campaigns in the chill zone. First, let's look at the kill zone campaigns. These campaigns are losing money and need to be diagnosed and improved. Click on the kill zone to filter by those campaigns only. You can easily see campaigns that are losing money according to your intentions and the brand's KPI zones. Look at the AI summary recommendations for the ones losing the most money to understand why the campaigns are in the kill zone at a high level. Then click on the Strategic Insights tab to see specific tactical issues to solve. Each campaign's strategic insights are broken into 3 areas. It's going to be traffic, budget, and creative and offer. There are advanced analysis on trends, conversion rates, AOV, traffic segmentation, and more. After reviewing a kill zone's analysis, if the AI feels the trends might get you out of the kill zone and into the chill zone, it will tell you. Otherwise, you need to decide, does the data give you a tactical move that can save this ad budget? For example, the traffic segmentation is not driving the right visits, and the CAC and CPC are rising, and the conversion rate is low. You could give out tasks to fix the traffic segmentation, and another to revise the landing page, and a third to test out new ad creative. That might get this out of the kill zone. Or if you've already tried these optimizations, it's time to kill the ad budget. If you had previously scaled this campaign up, lower the budget down to the last successful budget. Otherwise, turn the campaign off. Repeat this process for each kill zone campaign, either assigning improvement actions to someone on the team or killing the budget. Then move on to a much more pleasant task, the scale zone. These campaigns are making money according to your brand's KPIs and are ready for more budget. Click on the scale zone to filter by those campaigns only. For these, you're doing well. Scale your budget. In this case, you want to increase budget enough to bring you back into the chill zone. Typically, we see people increase and decrease their budgets by 10 to 20% per optimization cycle so as not to throw the algorithm or their performance out of whack. Now, if you're in the scale zone but the trend is negative, optimize your traffic or creative to prevent severe drop-off. You've dealt with the kills, you've dealt with the scales. Those are the urgent issues. By its very definition, the chill zone does not need to be looked at. However, since you have extra time on your hands now that you aren't spending 2 hours analyzing data each day, thanks to the 5 Forces AI, you can look at the chill zone campaigns by clicking on Chill Zone. This chill zone campaign, for example, gives a precise recommendation for improving repeat customer acquisition. It might get the ROAS up into the scale zone if you can successfully implement this tactical suggestion. As a reminder, the intention determines the primary metric being used for scale, kill, chill. So if you see advice saying ROAS is in zone, but you want 5 Forces AI to use NCAC, change the campaign intention so the AI will know what to use. For further info, watch the video on setting intentions. The zones are also set by the chill zone input. If the zones are not accurate, simply go to 5 Forces AI settings and change them. Then you can run the 5 Forces analysis again. Note that this analysis runs every morning for you automatically. You only need to rerun it during the day if you changed an intention or a zone setting and want to see the impact. You have everything you need to have scale, kill, chill decisions running on autopilot. Have fun!